how to access the app switcher on the Apple Watch OS 10. Now with the previous version of watchOS, you can access the app switcher by pressing on the side button here, but now when you press on the side button, instead of bringing up the app switcher, it will bring up the control center. So to access your Apple Watch the app switcher on the Apple Watch OS 10, all you have to do is double press on the crown button. So double press on it, and that will open up the app switcher, and you can scroll up or down like this to scroll up to the next app or to the previous app. And from there, you can just tap on the app to open it. And that's it. So that is how you can now open the app switcher after you have updated your Watch OS to version 10. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.